Time for today's tech check and a little bit of intrigue in the San Francisco commercial real estate market. Who's looking for more space and who's leasing it to them? Deirdre Bosa has more on this. Hi, Deirdre. It sounds like a realtor's matchmaker paradise.
It could be. Very much could be. Well, a source familiar with negotiations, Contessa, tells me that AI darling OpenAI is in talks to sublease nearly 3,000 square feet of space in the city from Uber, who has been quietly marketing one of 4 new buildings that is making up its Mission Bay campus, not far from where I am right now in the heart of the financial district. Now, this is intriguing for a few different reasons. One, it would represent a major expansion from OpenAI's current headquarters, really underpinning the enormous growth and funding that ChatGPT has seen this year. Two, it feeds into this idea of an AI boom rescuing San Francisco from its so-called doom loop of record vacancy rates, crime, and homelessness. OpenAI is, of course, the buzziest generative AI company out there, but there are others here that are scooping up commercial real estate in the city, like Scale AI, with a more than $7 billion valuation, whose headquarters I visited a few weeks ago in downtown San Francisco. Now, third, there's this idea that ChatGPT would be taking the space from Uber, and perhaps that says something about changing sentiment in tech at large. Now, years ago, when Uber was planning this huge new campus, the gig economy was humming, and it was seen as one of the most attractive places for investors to find growth. Over the last few years, though, profitability has become the priority, and you've seen layoffs and reduced office space, leading to Uber putting up one of its buildings for sublease. Generative AI, meanwhile, has really taken up the mantle of growth and disruption, and certainly investor dollars. So, guys, it needs the space now to accommodate that. Mission Bay, it's close to where the Warriors play, too. So bonus for employees. They could go catch a game pretty easily.
Yeah, slip out and go to the ball game and see the best player in pro basketball, Steph Curry. Hey, let me ask you this. You said it was 3,000 square feet. I mean, that would be just a cottage in Nashville.
300. Thank you.
Oh, 300. That's
Did I say 3,000?
That's several cottages in Nashville. Because I think it said 3,000.
$1 million.
Maybe I misheard it. So it is a big piece of property. We're not talking about.
It's a whole building.
I'm talking 3,000 square feet. Contessa's apartment is bigger than that. Yeah.
Here's the question, though. What does it say about the? I mean, you sort of set this up with there's so much vacancy in San Francisco. Where the neighborhood that it's going into, does it do anything for the most problem-ridden parts of San Francisco?
It's a good question. No, it's not. It's not the Tenderloin. But we've been talking about this whole idea of Cerebral Valley, which is centered around this neighborhood. Kate Rogers actually lives. It's called Hayes Valley. And you've seen a lot of AI companies move in there, and you've seen it become an attractive place, but there's just not enough space there. So this is interesting. OpenAI currently, it's in the Mission, which, you know, it's close to some of the most problematic parts of the city. Moving over to Mission Bay, it would be kind of interesting because, again, it's where sort of you've seen big companies like Uber build new campuses. It's really come from nowhere, from the ground up. So it's moving away from sort of the areas that have the worst reputation. But again, it's just kind of adding fuel. There's other AI companies that are looking for space in the Mission, in Hayes Valley, where you see some of the homelessness and crime really take root. So again, if you talk to the people that are optimistic, they say this is just the start. If generative AI is going to be as big as everyone thinks it is, and companies are building here in San Francisco, which certainly there's evidence of, then this could just be the beginning.
All right, Deirdre, thank you very much. And 300,000 is a lot more than 3,000. Appreciate it.
Sure is.
All right.